Bam shot. Yes, what we're doing here? Okay, good. Go. Right, what we're doing here, we stick these pieces of board. We're going to make a it's like a plaque, a wall plaque, right? A wall plaque to put name. And what you do is stick the cedar together. But you know when you stick it, even though it tends to be, when you put it, it tends to be on level, it's not level, right? So what we do, and it can't sit in the drum sander because it's bigger than the space to go to the drum sander. So what we have to do is we're doing it manually. We're using a jack plane. And we're leveling, we're cutting across the grain. So cutting across the grain. The first thing I will just use the jack plane, and then Kevin will continue here. Right, so we're going to a field. Right. Okay. Nice. So, you go ahead. You go. Okay, here. Come on. Put your back into it. Put your back into it. Put your back into it. Keep going down. Down. Going down. Going down. If you, put your back into it. You see, you young fellas in them and telling them to put your back in it. Look when I say put your back in it. You don't want to cut out too much. So, you know, you're there. Over here. Feeling, you know, always keep feeling it, you know, so you feel where it has a lump, right? Remember you're cutting across the grain, right? When you have the tortoise and so well, since when I learned trade, your man used to say, call this traversing. So we're using that word, traversing, that's pushing across the grain, because the grain and the wood running this way, right? But since when you want it to be level this way, you'll be cutting it this way, right? And now this is an easier plane. You know, you don't want to go down too much on one start to end up with that sink, or you know. So what you'll do is that. Okay. I think I have to say well. Now for small workshops, right? Especially in Trinidad and the Caribbean, you know, you have to do another thing. A few of us have a big drum sander that you can push this whole piece of board through. You know, usually the drum sander that I have is only 22 inches, so you will get about a 20-inch piece to go through, right? They say you can flip it on both sides, but that is never out. So what you're doing here now is you'll have to do it manually. Alright? So Kevin will continue, and we'll see how it looks at the end.